What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Batman from Arkham Knight. Now for this drawing we're going to reserve the top half for the ears and the bottom half for the face. Let's start down here with the eyes. We start right in the middle with a short line going across from left to right. And then from here on the left we're going to curve out and up. Go to the right and curve out and up in the opposite direction. Now let's draw on the top edge of the eyes. From the left corner we're going to draw a straight angled line going up and then out towards the left. Go to the right and do the same thing, going up and out towards the same height. Now we want to create a steeper angle along the end. I'm just going to go up towards the tip of the eye. And then we'll come down and out towards the bottom edge of the eye. Now from the outside we're going to curve down and then up towards the inside corner of the brow. Start by coming down and then we'll bend that up. Do the same thing on the right. Curving down and we'll bend that up. Now let's draw on the eyes. From the top on the left I'm going to go out and then bend that down. We'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. So we're going to go out and then bend that down. Now on the outside we're going to step up to create an overlap. Curve down and then up on the inside. Let's fill the inside of the mask in black. Let's go to the center and come all the way down towards the tip of the cowl. We're going to start with a point. From this point I'm going to angle up and out towards the left, aiming towards the eye, right about there. Do the same thing on the right, going up and then out. Let's add a bevel in the center of the nose. Starting from the left side, from the frown line, I'm going to curve in and then down, just to the left of that center point. Let's go to the right and do the same thing, just coming down towards the right side of that center point. Now we're going to go back out towards the outside of the eye. We're going to angle down and out towards the left and then the right. Then we'll connect the outside to the inside of the cowl with a curve. Come down and then come in. We're going to add a fold on the inside edge of the eye. Starting on the left, we're going to angle down and out. And the same thing on the right. I'm going to go back out towards the cheek and draw the inside edge of the mask. Let's start on the left side and draw a straight angled line coming down and in. And the same thing on the right side. Now we'll angle down towards the chin. Let's start on the left side, come down towards the bottom, do the same thing on the right, come down towards the same height. We'll close off the chin with a curve. Starting on the left, curve down, and then up. Let's draw on the mouth. In the center, draw a curve from left to right, and down, and then up. And then we'll curve this out towards the corners of the mouth, going out and then down. In the center, we're going to step down, draw another curve from left to right for the lower lip. I'll tuck the chin in underneath the bottom lip. From the left side, step in, curve out, and then down. Now I'll move back up to the top and curve out the frown line. Going out and then down on both sides. Now I'm going to go back out and draw two straight angle lines coming down towards the jaw. Let's start on the left. Come down and then in. Do the same thing on the right side to the same height. Now we'll angle this down and in just up above the corner of the chin. Now going back up to the top of the eyes, we're going to draw two straight lines going up towards the top of the head. Let's start with the left. Going straight up, right about there. Do the same thing on the right side, the same height. Then we'll connect the left side to the right with a curve. Going up the middle, and then back down on the right. Now we want to pull the brow forward, so we're going to add a curve along the top of each eye. So from this point, we're going to step down, curve up, and then out towards this line. Let's do the same thing on the right. We'll line this up, curve up, and then out. Let's go back up to the top. We're gonna draw the front edge of the ears. So we'll start on the left, we're gonna draw an angled line going straight up, and then in. Do the same thing on the right, going up, and then into the same height. Now from the top, we're gonna draw a straight line coming down. We're not gonna go all the way. We're gonna pull this down to right about there. And then we'll connect the left and right side with another curve. Let's go to the corners, curve out and down toward the left, and then the right. Let's go back to the cheeks. We're going to draw a straight line going up the side of the head. Just go straight up to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going straight up. Just going to match up the height that we have on the left. Now we're going to take this point, curve up and in towards the top point, front edge of the ear. Let's go back up to the tip of the ear. We're going to draw a straight angle line coming out, aiming towards the side of the head. We're just going to bend that down. Coming down and out. And as we get closer to the bottom, we're going to bend this down. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to add a little bit more detail. Starting from the top of the cheek, we'll angle up and in. And we'll bend this up and out towards the top side of the head. And then from the inside corner of the cowl, we draw a straight line coming all the way down toward the chin. And that's pretty much it. There's the Batman from Arkham Knight. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.